Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at this glorious 32-inch gaming monitor. So this is manufactured by Gigabyte and the model number is the M32Q. At the bottom it has a slew of features and specifications including the IPS panel, the 165Hz fast refresh, USB Type-C, the included KVM switch and more. Without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. First off is a power cable, and the socket will depend on the region in which you purchase it. Next up is an HDMI cable, followed by a DisplayPort cable. Also included is a secondary power cable. This is for a UK type socket. And finally the cable to power the USB hub on the monitor. Moving on to the documentation, first off is a quick installation guide, followed by a warranty booklet. Alright, so it's time to get the packaging out. So with the styrofoam out, you can see that the base plate is now visible, so let's unpack the base plate. You could see that it's a solid triangular shaped plastic mold with the solid steel pegs. So this is what the monitor arm will fix onto. It does have rotate action, or rather swivel action, and it's quite well weighted, which makes sense as it would need to keep the monitor stable. Next up is the monitor arm. So with the packaging out of the way, you can see that it has a square plate which will fix to the back of the monitor. On the lower side it has the slots which would fix to the base plate. It does have the Gigabyte branding on the top and does have some tilt and swivel functionality. And finally, we get to the star of the show, the beautiful 32-inch 1440p resolution IPS panel. Connectivity is at the bottom, which includes headphones, USB, HDMI, DisplayPort, and power. And on the rear, it does have two buttons to control the functionality, a sort of nipple switch for all the on-screen menu, as well as a KVM switch for switching to a second computer. This is a fancy monitor, be it content creation, gaming, or entertainment consumption. Do hit pause now for the quick spec sheet, but do get subscribed if you aren't to check out our full deep dive review of this device, which will drop in some time after we've given it a good run. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with friends, and see you in the next one.